And we're back with another live stream video. Before we start, I got to give you the word for today. Ephesians chapter 4, verse 2. Be completely humble and gentle. Be patient, bearing with one another in love. That's a very powerful verse for today. So let's hop on these charts. I sent out my VIP Telegram signals for NAS 100. It's currently running right now. It's currently running. It hit TP1, TP2. That was last week. It hit TP1, TP2. That was last week. It hit TP1, TP2. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Again, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Again, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. So it's currently running. That trade is still running. I'm going to run this. I'm running this deal. Get NPM trade command. Get NPM trade command. When you get NPM trade command, you get NPM Academy and VIP Telegram signals free. Those are regular monthly. So when you get NPM trade command, you get NPM Academy and VIP Telegram signals free. This deal ends when the live stream ends. Again, this deal ends when the live stream ends. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Again, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Share this video. So you see the NPM trade command. It gives you trend, higher time frame candle, higher time frame buys, entry, stop loss, TP1, TP2, TP3, confidence level. I caught this trade from using the NPM trade command. It gave a signal, and this is what we're using. Very powerful. Very powerful. Very powerful. Very powerful. So that's currently running. That trade, NAS 100 is currently running. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Again, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit the like, hit that subscribe button. So this trade is running. Could get up here to the potential upside. It's currently running. Again, it's currently running. This NPM trade command is very powerful. Very powerful. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Again, so we caught this NAS 100. I sent this out to the VIP Telegram Signals group. This trade is still running and hit TP1, TP2 off the NPM trade command dashboard. Caught this off the NPM trade command dashboard. It's amazing how powerful this indicator is. If you're ever having trouble with entries, stop loss, TP1, TP2, TP3, this solves that. This solves that. If you're trying to figure out the trend, this solves that. This is very powerful. If you're not using this, or you haven't even uh, got this yet, you're missing out totally. Trade's still running, so let's say NPM trade command MGC. Hey Samuel, hey, Good morning. Let's have a blue party today. What's going on? The NAS 100's trade still running for TP3, so that's still running. It's still running. Potentially go all the way up to here to the upside. Let me see news. CPI news. Yeah, CPI. Got 2 minutes. CPI news. New York Empire State Manufacturing news. So we got CPI news. We got New York Empire State Manufacturing news. That's in 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. So yeah, that's in 2 to 3 minutes. CPI news. So it's very important that you use, if you're trading Monday, use proper risk management. Again, use proper risk management. Again, use proper risk management. That's very important. If you're trading Monday, use proper risk management. I don't trade Sundays and Mondays. I still got this trade running for my VIP Telegram signals, but I don't put in trades Sundays and Mondays as manually because the market hasn't set. Personally, I've me doing this for 6 years. I wait till Tuesday. That's always been my plan. Everybody has a different plan. I stick to my plan. Personally, I stick to my plan. And it's very important that if you stick to the plan, you don't deter from that plan again. So certain days you can have that you don't trade those days. Me specifically, I don't trade Sundays and Mondays. Tomorrow is a go. So tomorrow is go. We'll be taking looking at the markets. If we see something a setup, take those trades Tuesday. Right now, I still got this running on my VIP Telegram signals for this trade. I still got this running. It already hit TP1, TP2 just by using the NPM trade command dashboard. It gives you the trend, higher time frame candle. It gives you the higher time frame buys, entry, stop loss, TP1, TP2, TP3. Confidence is 100%. Again, it gives you the trend, high time frame candle, high time frame buys, entry, stop loss, TP1, TP2, TP3, confidence, 100%. If you're a beginner, or if you're intermediate, it don't matter if you're a beginner, intermediate, experience, you can use this. If you're having problems with your entry, stop loss, TP1, TP2, you don't know where those are, bam. If you need signals, bam, right here. If you want me to I'll leave the link and put the link in the description. I'll pin it. Pin the link in the description. You see on there, I'm doing the deal after this live stream it ends. So let's see. Uh, let's see. About to post it. Give me just a second. I've passed prop firms with this indicator. Again, I've passed prop firms with this indicator. I have students that pass prop firms with this indicator that get payouts with this indicator. You wait for it to light up green for buys or red for sells. Again, you wait for it's very self-explanatory. It lights up green for buys or lights up red for sells. Again, it lights up green for buys or lights up red for sells. It's color coded for you. Again, it's color coded for you. And and this trade right here, all of this, how this setup is, all from this NPM trade command dashboard. This is from this. This setup right here is from this NPM trade command dashboard. Give you TP, TP1, TP2, TP3. I made this for people to be able to pass prop firms, grow their regular accounts, and be consistent and be profitable. Now, no indicator, no bots, no indicators, no trading tools can guarantee you profits. But when you put God first, trust the process. Again, trust the process, be consistent, use proper risk management. Definitely got to use proper risk management, because if you're not using proper risk management, that you can potentially blow your accounts, lose that trade. So you got to use proper risk management. Got to use proper risk management. Again, it's very important that you use proper risk management. Let me put the link in the I gotta put the link. Okay. I'll be shorter than that. So the CPI news just happened like 4 minutes ago. CPI news just happened 4 minutes ago, and then the New York Empire State news just happened. So I pinned it. Let's look at MGC. MGC is lighting up. It was lighting up at first. That's gold for futures. If you want to join NPM Trade Room, again, join NPM Trade Room. Again, if you want to join NPM Trade Room, Okay. NPM TradeRoom. This is NPM TradeRoom. This is my Telegram where I send updates. And this is my NPM TradeRoom where I send updates. This is where I send updates. So the link is in the description. Again, the link is in the description. This is my NPM TradeRoom. The link is in the description. Again, the link is in the description. If you want to get access to NPM TradeRoom, let me run it back again. Bam. This is NPM TradeRoom. The link is in the description. If you want to access NPM TradeRoom for my updates, this is NPM TradeRoom. Let's get to the charts. CPI news is running right now, so look, it already hit TP1, TP2. So let me explain it already hit TP1 and TP2. TP1, TP2. TP1 was it already hit it. It hit TP1 and TP2. So it could potentially go up to here, to the upside. I use the NPM trade command dashboard. If you ever know what you want to know where key levels is, let me see. See, I need to show you for example. Bam. If it was ever to come down here, come right back up. Then let me see. Bam. Those are just you ever want to know key levels right here? See them right here so many times. Just move it up. Bam. Right there. Those are example of key levels because it's hitting those areas 1, 2, 3 times. See, 1, 2, 3 times, and then boom, it spiked up. So it hit this. Oh, let me let me take this off real quick so you can see. It hit here 1, 2, 3 times, then boom, spiked up. So it hit here. These are key levels right here. Boom, 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 spiked up. That's why it spiked up. Boom, 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 spiked up. I've been doing this for 6 years. So I know this. I know my key. But the good thing about it, if you was to get NPM trade command, you better get the signals. So get the signals. Take this off. I also have other indicators. Those are monthly. But if you want to get them for a lifetime, if you want to get them for a lifetime, I have the NPM Elite Fast Track as well. Yep. So say you pay that one time and you get access to all those other indicators, like 5 indicators. But this one, I strongly suggest you to get. It don't get no better than that. This one, it don't get no better than that. I strongly suggest you to get this. See, this was what day? Let's see. It was Thursday, Friday. Let's see, Thursday. Thursday. Then even if it drops down to right here, if it hits this already, see how many times they rejected off of this area right here, this key club. So if it comes down here or whatever, it's gonna come. It has the potential to come right back up to the upside. If you know, you know. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. So it can do that pullback down here, and then it has the potential. If it rejected right here Thursday, came down, rejected again Friday, has the potential to come down again and can reject again. Boom, up to the upside. Does everybody understand that? Hit a type of one in the chat. Type of one in the chat if you understand that. Give me my likes, give me my comments, give me my subscribe. Bro, bro, that's amazing. Bro, that's amazing. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Just look at gold. Get gold. I'm gonna go here instead. Okay. USD, XAUUSD. Right now, let's see. This 4 hour candle right here is dropping. So you don't want to get in on this 4 hour candle. Want to wait till you see a green candle to the upside if you're taking buys for gold. Or you can use the NPM trade command if you have access to it. If you don't have access to it, strongly suggest you could get access to it. You see the deal running, the deal I'm running right now. So if you was going for goal is if you was going for a buy, you would wait for the NPM trade come in, or I would say if you had the NPM trade come in right now, this candle is red, so potential buy to the upside. So, but you will wait. I will wait. Me personally, I will wait. But I had an NPM trade come in, so I wait for the NPM trade come in to give me a signal on the 5-minute time frame, and boom, we in there like swimwear. Wait for it to give me a buy signal. It's gonna tell you NPM trade come in that dashboard. It's gonna tell you buy, sell. I love it. Right now, you see the deal. You see the deal running. If you have any questions, you can always send it in the chat. Right now, we got gold running. This is all from the NPM trade command dashboard. I took this signal. It gave me the entry. It gave me the stop loss. I used this NPM trade command, the entry, stop loss, the TP1, TP2, TP3. I did exactly what it said on here, and I followed it to the T. I personally coded this, so it's basically my strategy inside of this. See how it went down, then it's coming, it has the potential to come back up. This is just a pullback to the upside. MNQ, let's look at MNQ. If you're trading futures, you can use it. Forex, futures, stocks, it don't matter. This is the indicator that you need. Again, this is the indicator that you need. See? This lights up green for buys, red for sells. Lights up green for buys, red for sells. Once it's light up green for buys, light up red for sales. So, NPM trade command. See, it's here the NPM trade command buy. Let's go back to gold. Let's go back to gold. Go back to here. Let's go back to it. This trade is still running, so that trade is still running. Potential go to the upside on NAS 100. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Again, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Right now, this gold, NAS 100 trade is running. Currently, NAS 100 trade is running. It already hit TP1, TP2 with an upside. I use the NPM trade command, as you can see. See the alerts coming in. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Again, hit that like and hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Join NPM TradeRoom for more trading updates. If you want to get the brokers that I use, the link is in the description. I strongly suggest you to get, if you are looking for a platform, I strongly suggest you to get Eightcap. You'll be able to trade on TradingView, TradeLock. You can access those through my link. Also use my discount code CFK12. Follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Join NPM TradeRoom for more trading updates. As always, faith, discipline, freedom. This is Charell, the Forex King. Let's